Fellow South Africans, ngiyabingelela kuyo yonke indawo. Ndenza le video njenganomuntu very concerned nokhathazekile. You can just skip it if you don't like it, but ke ngajabula mangathiwa ngayishare le video because I believe ukuthi there is something that we need to do as South Africans. Fellow South Africans, we're living elizweni eselingenabo ubuhulumeni. Ziningi izinto ezibuhlungu ezenzekayo. Esiloko sibheke ukuthi ama-officials wethu noba abantu abase-parliament, they will do something to bring about a change. We've been having a crisis la eMzansi ye-GBV. We've been having people dying left and right. But there is nothing, there's no major decisions or steps that have been taken about abaphezulu esibathembile. Fellow South Africans, we have a president in this country that always, when he stood, he will say fellow South Africans. I don't even believe that he knows what does it mean to say fellow when you say something to somebody, umbiza ngefellow. Siphethwe abantu abazicabangela bona bodwa. Sisuka kwicase kaSenzo Meyiwa. Uhulumeni wethu azikahle iqiniso ukuthi likuphi la likhona. Ukusuka lapho to the end of that case that has been dragging so long, and then ivusa amanxeba to the family of Senzo Meyiwa. Kodwa emva kwalokho sazobona indoda eneziqu yafunda esikolweni being humiliated. Advocate Tifo ekhishwa kabuhlungu ngenxa yezinto ezenziwa uhulumeni osiphethe. Manje sikwi-commission. I-commissioner ongayi-understand ukuthi indawo uqala why le commission ize yafonywa ngoba Mr. Mkhwanazi, General Mkhwanazi mayifika ufike ne-evidence ecacile ukuthi somebody should be locked up. Kodwa kuzange kwenzeke lokho. Ma-South African, I think it's about time now we stood up, sizimele. The Zondo Commission esebenzayo noba emele eshushisa lamacala inezinto mfowethu ongazi-understand ukuthi why is it so? Abantu umuntu orate u-67,000 ngosuku. Umuntu orate u-67,000 kodwa expecta ukuthi lowo muntu lowo uzoba nofakazi noba kuzoba nomuntu oyedwa ozoba estandini. Whereas la eMzansi sinezidingo eziningi that needs a budget, and every time mangaba abantu they cry out, they say there is no budget. Fellow South African, angazi ukuthi le video izofika kuphi, kodwa I urge you South Africans la ifike khona ukuthi sokuyisikhathi manje ukuthi siyasukuma mhlambe thina ama-ground forces, because abantu abaphezulu besibathembile they doing nothing. We had a case of uXwexwe. We cried out for heaven's sake, but there was nothing in our government that he did. Ayikho into eyenziwa. Sihlala njalo siphakama sikhale. Even manje we are in a state where we are mourning the death of umuntu owamentionwa kule commissioner le ekhona kaMadlanga wazibulala. We don't even know if it's that. And then we don't know ukuthi bazokwenza njani, because we've been having such commissions la eMzansi zikaZondo, but there was nothing happened. Fellow South African, isikhathi ukuthi thina ama-ground forces manje siphakame. Ngicabanga ukuthi le video la izofika khona, you can share it to people ukuthi cry out ukuthi there is something that we need to do. Angisho ukuthi kufanele kuluthwe, but we need to stand up now as South Africans sizimele thina ngokwethu, because if we keep on trusting these people abaphezulu sicabanga ukuthi there is something abayoyenza ewutshintsho, we will keep on crying. We've got i-rates i-unemployment la eSouth Africa emangazayo, whereas the amanis ezidliwa abocat 2 billion for one hospital. For zonke izibhedlela ezikhona la eMzansi ucabanga ukuthi how much money are they looting? And kunabantu kunespaces ezibhedlela that needs to be refilled. Need ukuthi kube nabantu abazoqashwa to those spaces, but they keep on saying there is no budget. How many social workers in this country are sitting with their degrees and not working because they say there's no budget? How many qualified teachers, people who spend their time in university and they are still sitting at home because they say there's no budget? If there is no budget, where did Cat took that money? The 2 billion le ayidla nomngani wakhe umshana kaRamaphosa. Kuzoba njena ke na this time kulwe commission because nayo yayibona ukuthi it is designed for looting, because you can't give somebody 2 million just because he's gonna uzoba nje kwi-commission yokuthi question umuntu. We need to stand up, but I don't know how. I don't have a strategy, but I just make this video uguti out there for somebody who's like me, for somebody who's fed up with the government, the kind of government that we have, for somebody who's fed up of the corruption that has been happening in this country. Let's stand up and hold each other. Mangaba uyizwa lento engizwa, share this video to somebody, it will go to somebody and go to somebody, and it will get to someone ozokwazi ukuthi mhlamba sinikeze umhlahlanjela ukuthi where to go and what can we do to stop all this kind of nonsense that is going on in our country. Omchunu doing izinto ezi-rubbish. People died. I was seeing the list of the guy only in Umzimkulu, 12 or 14 people he killed in politics, but Mchunu was able to stop that investigation. Why? Angazi ukuthi le video izofika kuphi, kodwa bafowethu mina ngikhathele. I am tired and I need people who feels like me so that we'll stand up and sibone ukuthi senza njani. Ungayithatha le video uyishare iye kusamboti ozoyizwa, ngoba mhlambe ohalela ukwenza into naye efana nayami ungayenza ibe nje spread the news yokuthi enough is enough. Now we're gonna stand up, thina ama ground forces, thina labantu abangasilutho okudliwa imali zethu. Sikhathele ukuhlala nabantu emakhaya benamajazi begraduate, sikhathele ukuhlala nabantu ogogo besokola bengatholi izinsiza, sikhathele ukuhlala elizweni elingenandaba nomuntu but elifuna ukunonisa umuntu oyedwa uvusa ahambe ngomkhumbi yena. Ngeke guys.